In this video, we're going to hard reset a JBL Xtreme 3 waterproof Bluetooth speaker. It might be useful if something isn't working properly and you can hard reset it to see if that fixes the problem. So first of all, we're going to turn it on by tapping the power button. And what we're going to do is we're going to hold down the volume up button and the play button together, both at the same time, and this will perform the hard reset. So here we go, pressing them both now. And I'm going to let go. And did you hear there? It's turned itself off and it made that sound. So now when we turn it back on, it should have hard reset itself and it should no longer pair to my phone. And you can see now that we have the flashing Bluetooth thing here. And if I check my phone, when I click on it, it's asking me to pair it because it hasn't recognized that it was paired before. So that's it. That will reset it to factory settings. And hopefully that will fix your problems if you are having it and you can set it up from new again. Thanks for watching.